guys, my name is Brian and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new dance tutorial for you. The song called We On It by A. Alright, so let's start. By the way, this is the first part of the choreography. I'm going to upload the second part, alright? So here we go, let's start. Alright, let's start. From this one, we're gonna face to the right. So step to right, 1 and 2. Then step 3 and 4. Alright? One more time. 5, 6, 7, and step 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then you're gonna cross 5 and step back 6, 7 and 9. One more time. 5, 6, 7, step and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Alright? Next, move to the center. Alright? Here we go. To the right, left, right, and close. Then step to the back. 5. Punch your left, 6, 7, and 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and go right, left, right, and step. Punch, 7, and 8. Let's combine first and second. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and step. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright? Next. So from this one, we're gonna go step your left to the back, then lean to your right. 1, 2, and 3. Cross. 4. You're gonna jump on 5, 6, 7, knee 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Next, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Copy? Then you're gonna go for 5, 6, 7, and stay. And look. Alright? One more time. 5, 6, what's that? 6, 7, let's try from here. 6, 7, and then 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 1, 2, 3, 4, pull, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. You're gonna look to your left. 1, 2, 3. Close on 4. Alright, then open 5 and 6 away on 7 and 8. That's it. Let's try. 5, 6, 7 from here. 6, 7 and go 1, 2 and 3, 4. Jump. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, cover and 4, down, 5 and 6, away on 7 and 8. Alright? Good job. Let's start from the beginning. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and then 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like some of my videos. We're going to upload the second part next week. Alright? So, bye-bye.